The day has finally arrived. Welcome to the stunning final reveal of our 1903 Fort Morgan bathroom renovation. In our first two videos, we watched as our partners at West Shore Home transformed this historic home's bathroom. Day one was all about efficiency, as West Shore's team of professionals quickly removed the old bathroom down to the studs. Day two saw major structural changes, including the new wall. We love working with a company that not only delivers on quality, but also has the experience to back it up. With over 58,000 positive reviews and a team of over 3,000 employees, West Shore Home proves that professional quality and craftsmanship are always on our minds. The centerpiece of this renovation is the stunning new shower. We chose an Oasis acrylic shower for its durability and modern look. The new upgraded Moen fixtures will give our tenants the feel of a spa experience every day. But we didn't stop there. We also replaced the old vanity and floor with a beautiful new modern set. The vanity is a 24-inch hazelnut cabinet with a solid glacier white top. The new toilet and the clean floor complete the space, making it a comfortable and stylish experience for our tenants. We also had the electrical outlet moved up for added convenience. This project is a perfect example of our philosophy at Ryder's Home, combining historic charm and modern comfort. It's a key part of our commitment to providing the best possible living experience in Fort Morgan.